sit down, we'll give the certificates. I don't know what you think about it, but I personally thought that I saw completely something different from the rehearsals. And that's normally what the case is. I hope you'll be very proud of them, because this is their moment of autonomy. This is where they stood on their own, processed very difficult characters, understood every bit of it, because I was on their head, making them sure that they understood every word they spoke. I hope that conviction came out. And you stop seeing for a moment that it's your son but an actor and a voice of the tale. If you did, then they have done their jobs well, and I have done my jobs well. Interesting enough, the teaching which comes across, which we use, is something from a yogic way of called Satvikam. Satvikam essentially is the way you give is the way if someone receives it. So if they give you the right intent and the right way of giving it to you, and you receive it exactly the way they're giving it, then Satvikam is managed. And my job is to create a Satvikam, whether it's in education, whether it's in the arts. And this is the parampara, this is the heritage which we carry. I wanted to pass it on to the next generation, because my godson used to say, Vikram, you know so many things, but who do you give it to? Because you have no children and whatnot, no students. So I said, I've found my students, I'll give it to them. So in a sense, that was my pledge, and I found my students. And I'm giving the process, hopefully the school and this thing allows me to pass on knowledge and whatever. And just want to let you know, the puzzling question about Abhimanyu's death, one of the folk tradition, Abhimanyu was supposed to be Kans, reborn. And that is one of the reasons why Krishna actually, and by this time Kans was born on the right side. And one of the reasons why he allowed Kans to die, Abhimanyu to die, was to make sure that he pays his debt off. So all of those paying debt and paying all those things were there, which these guys knew. We did backstories of each one of them. So they knew what was the subtext of why a villain would not be born overnight, why anybody would come and be who they are, because there's a backstory behind that, and there's another backstory. Indian stories are all about, the wisdom is all about stories within stories within stories within stories within stories. And it's just unending, and it's incredible. I mean, we're sitting on an amazing, rich tradition of wisdom. If only we get out of a colonial amnesia and actually see that and pass it on, as so we will have less violence, and we understand Udharan, Madharan, Paradham, Swadharan, all these things that we talk to them. So please give them a big round of applause again. Thank you so much for coming.
And I hope you liked what they presented. They've grown in the 2 weeks that I've seen them, take this forward, listen to whatever Vikram sir was doling out, and he's legendary for his temper. So, coming down to practice, and even when the school was closed, they found a place, and one of our parents was gracious enough to offer a place. 2 parents, yes, no less. And they went, they had free run of their house, they provided lunch, whatever. So, a big thank you to parents also. Well, this would not have been possible without the cooperation of the parents, without Vikram coming in, taking calls at all hours. Vikram, what are you doing? Where are you? Kids are waiting. And kids, the enthusiasm they have shown us just speaks for itself. I would like to invite Payal ma'am to give a closing address.
Good evening, everybody. I'd like to start by thanking our students. You did an excellent job. I'm so amazed to see all of you transform so well, and your personality is coming across so vibrant upon stage, and I'm getting to know each one of you differently. It's a revelation. What I see you inside the classroom and what I saw here today is outstanding, and I'll remember each and every performance. To all of you who came here, thank you so much for taking time out and for being there to encourage our students. Mahabharata is one of the epics of all times. And there's a lot of learning that we had from here, and it's so beautifully been depicted by our students today. and the powerful performances are going to linger on in my mind. In fact, the last thing, the ending note by our soldier narrator is that let's eliminate the cause of war. It's going to resonate as I leave today, and I'm going to think about it. It's such a powerful message for ourselves. And when we look at something like Vikram said, look at our own culture and mythology, and it's like holding a mirror to ourselves and reflecting about the conflicts that we are facing in a day-to-day life. And it's like holding that mirror and seeing and trying to identify and resolve these conflicts. So I think, kids, you did a wonderful job of trying to present it in such a powerful message. Good job. Thank you. Yes, and to Deepthi and Harshika for making all the arrangements and being with the students throughout. And yes, Vikram for conceptualizing and putting this.
Enthusiasm going, that's what we need. And the energy which you gave is so positive. So positive for us.
Yes.
So,
Thank you.
yeah. Please,
Thank you,
can we
Doc.
have the
These two also.
technicians here, please?
Yeah. Very short notice the case.
Please do come right in front because your role was as important for us.
Give away the certificates, please. Yes, please do.
So,
Yashwardhan Sindhwani.
bearing all the pain I took him, make him go through. You know, I mean, each one of them I've given their stroke in the morning, but each one of them is so precious because they fully surrendered to whatever I asked them to do, all kind of crazy physicality I made them do, and it was wonderful. Thank you, Josh. Wasn't he amazing? He was just amazing. I told you the little thing you do, you will show such a presence. Thank you so much for doing everything possible to make it realistic, to make you feel the pain of Dushasana and the anger and everything else. Thank you so much. Athish is a brilliant photographer, but he's also a brilliant actor and artist. He's very budding. He knows exactly what he wants to do in life, and I'm very, very proud of what he's done. She looks the youngest, but she's loveliest and she's strongest. Here you are. Thank you so much for sticking around and making wonderful. Other than this amazing lad who did 3 roles, I asked him to do 3 roles and stuff like that. He just stood up and said, okay, I'll do whatever it takes to do it. And none of them, it's amazing how he just switched. I thought Chikhandi role, he would not want to do it, being a boy, but he was just for it. You know, I said, tuft of the hair, this and that. Oh man, what can I do without Draupadi? So I was like, where will I find a Draupadi like you? But I actually think you're amazing. I mean, you're wonderful. So Dushala, I specifically, since I wrote the entire thing, I just want to say, she told me, I want to make you feel proud. I will really do an amazing job. And I wrote Dushala for her, particularly because I had never found anything with Dushala says. I knew there was one daughter, and I gave all Jaidra's life to Dushala. She did a wonderful job. I mean, he's an amazing actor and a storyteller, and I keep telling him, you're a storyteller. He said, sir, how will I do a soldier's role? And I said, soldier is a storyteller. You just tell the story as if you're telling the story to the whole world, like being a representative of the entire soldiers kind of thing. I mean, you are amazing, really. I mean, specific role play, but only 7 women turned up for this. And I was like thinking, yeah, most guys turned up, where are the girls and stuff like that? Because, and these said, I said, well, these are the warriors who will be with me. And Anya is a warrior. She looks really small, but she's very tough. And what you saw there with the cracking of the thing, this was not planned. This was just happened because she made it happen. And to give you the feeling. There you are. There you are. So Rohan has done 6 plays with me. 6 plays right from a very young age. He's been doing 6 plays. This is his 6th play, right? And I can see what an amazing actor presence he's turned out to be. From moving like that to being so still, being Arjuna. So I told him, you know, you're going to get Arjuna for a reason because he was Arjuna last year. He said, why am I getting again Arjuna? I said, well, if there's a lesson to it, you'll discover. So I'm sure you discovered because you were absolutely stunning. You were really, really
Welcome, Sharma.
Oh, very good. Each of them is very special because I spend really a lot of special time having conversations with them, talking to them about their role, talking to them why they're doing. So he's playing 2 negative characters in 2 sort of spaces and stuff like that. And I never told him why he would do it, whatever he did, you do it and stuff like that. He was ready for it. He was ready for it, and I would just say go. And he would just go. Like he would just go and then someone else would come out. Very shy, quiet person, but amazing as you could see. You would never make out that he's so good. He's walking like something. There. Where are you? So you see, if Kunti made you cry at any level, it is because Rehat is just, she's a non-actor. She stepped for the first time. Her mom told her, you must experience Vikramjit Sinha, whatever. She said, "Ye God hai, bhai." But she came, and once she gave a commitment, she just got it like that. And she's one of the, what I call a realistic actor, method actor in a sense. And I think there is an actor in her, which is wonderful. Just normal, natural, just the way she is. And she did a great job. You were wonderful. I told you that. So there are struggles and there are struggles and there is a reward at the end of it. You know, Pratik, this poor chappie, he has taken it with just a smile. And today, because he's nothing as Jayadil, you can see, there is nothing, he's such an innocent, lovely person. And then he just became something completely different. And he was just amazing. I mean, you were so good. I can't tell you. Again, completely just wonderful, wonderful, lovely, golden-hearted boy. I mean, he's nothing like Ashwathama. You know, to get Ashwathama's voice today, I had a dream, Kabir telling me, sir, it's time to get up. You have to get up right now. He's one of those boys who's so beautiful. He's always there, arranging things, making sure everything is in order. He's actually a director, personally speaking. He's wonderful, and he did an amazing job. The voice he got was his own. By the way, many of them you saw today, I haven't told them what to do. They have got it because they brought it out of the whole experience. It was the churning of the pot. His voice was his voice. Today morning I had a dream and I heard this voice saying, Kabir has found his voice. You know, I heard a voice. That's exactly what was his name. Oh, wow. So listen, this guy, the last minute, you discovered method acting today, no? Did you? Yes, you did, right? So we've been talking about method acting for 2 years and stuff like that. This is a school of acting. I said, you have to understand that you have to get this through memory, nervous system, and condescension. He did it. Today, nothing what he did has ever happened in the rehearsals. Ever. This whole thing, he just last minute. I always believe that change happens in the last minute. You know, it's the moment. It just changes just the moment. What he did today, I mean, he realistically cried. He was there with you. He made you experience remorse, pain, anger, all of that. And you saw the characters going through a whole 360 degrees. The script was written by me in order for them, just them. And that's the best thing if you have a writer-director combination as such. Then you can just write for the student exactly, specifically what I wanted them to experience. And he did a wonderful job. Anurag. Okay, Anurag, another one of those non-actors in a sense, but he came in today and again, he was like, sir, Barbary ka scene aaj bhi nahi aaya. So Barbary ka scene aaj bhi nahi aaya. You know, and it was like, Nakul is like an extra. So what is it like? He's not getting his line, he's not. But I had full confidence because he said, you know, the way Nakul and Sahadev keep tagging along with the Pandavas, that's what they had to do. Just keep tagging along, showing your presence. And that's what they did. And in the end, Barbary Kuni actually did it. You gave it absolutely clearly. This is your first experience as an actor, and I'm sure there will be plenty more. Everyone knows Bhavik's story. Everyone knows that it is one of the most crazy things of getting a student to move. But when the student moves and transforms, this is why I do what I do. You know, to see students transform. He's one of them. He did an absolutely amazing job. And you know, you felt it. And he's really worked for that.
Manish Kaushik.
I'm not used to getting my feet touched, but I'm doing this primarily because I think I really need to give them the blessings because they actually worked really hard for this. So this guy, I believe, is a born actor. I will say it open and open. He's a born actor. He's a born performer. He's a Behrupiya. He's a magician. And I am so happy that I actually met him because, you know, when I actually asked him another artist, he was amazing.
Vasudev Raj Sharma.
I mean, like, it's so difficult for someone to play Krishna because it's like, how many things? So I told him, your name is Vasudev, but I didn't realize that his name was Vasudev. It just turned out to be later. He got Krishna, he said, my name is Krishna Vasudev. I said, then it's a fit. And he was absolutely, I think, the trickery, the casualness, the ease, the way he moved with everything, the flow, all of that. It was, again, written for him, you know. Everything is written for him. Well, you're Gadhani, you know. Well, I think, I don't know, but I have cried many a times in rehearsals. Every time she comes and she speaks, I think of all the losses the mothers can have. She's really made me feel intense. I never, again, the first time working with her, I never thought that such a young girl would have such talent or such amazing qualities. You're amazing, Meena. Yeah? Madhav again is one of those prize jewels. You know, he's perfect Yudhishthira. He is wonderfully good. He's amazing. He's perfectly professional. I tell you, some of them are absolutely super professional. Not that others aren't, but they are like ready with the scenes. They're ready with the things. Madhav is just like that. He's always ready with his stuff. You know, he's there. Anything can I do for you, sir? Is there anything you want to require? Is there any? He's always ready to learn. And just a pleasure to see you. Worked very hard to get the music. Don't you love the music? Because the music created atmosphere. He chose the music and he made it possible to do this game. Worked very hard and very soft. Thank you, Arun, where are you? Yes. Arun is a wonderful guy. He writes and despite his hand burning and everything, he continued professionally. This is what you have the kids are for. They are so committed. When you actually get into doing it, they give you jewels. You know. So thank you all for coming. Wonderful.